Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick review of our lesson 4. Lesson 4 was to read in the user's input. So to get started, what you need to do is you need to declare a variable sc or name it any name you like, and has to be of a scanner data type. And we're reading the data from the console. So we have system.in here. When we're all done, we're going to do sc.close to close the scanner. Okay, so let's see. From our lesson 4, we did this. Let me bring it over, then I'll explain it. So we asked the user to enter a short sentence, and then we use our scanner here, the variable sc dot next. Dot next is gonna return the first word or the next word in a string, and then we're just printing it out after we read it in. We store it in user input, and then we're printing out the value of that variable. Okay, I'm gonna run it and we'll see how that works. So over here I have my console here. Let me move it down here. Please enter a short sentence. I'm gonna say my name is Max, and as you can see, the .next method returns the first word, which is my. Now if I do that again, I'm gonna copy the next thing over here. So this one is gonna return the first word, and I'm doing the same thing over again. This one is gonna return the second word, which is gonna be name. Let's give that a try. I'm gonna run. My name is Max, and here it is. So the first sc.next return my, the second one returns name. Now another thing that you can do is you can read the whole line in. To read the whole line in, we're going to use this one. So instead of reading in one word at a time, we can read in the whole sentence in one all at once. So I'm declaring a string called user sentence, and I use sc.nextLine. Instead of sc.next, we're using sc.nextLine. Let's run that. And you know what? I didn't prompt the user to enter anything. So let me do that. I need to prompt the user, otherwise the user is not gonna know to enter anything, right? Let me copy this one over. Okay, so now we have the prompt. We're gonna say, please enter another short sentence. And this one we need to define it because we haven't defined this one yet. So I'm gonna define this. I'm gonna make that a string. I'm gonna make that a string, and I'm gonna read it in. I'm gonna read the whole line in. I'm using sc.nextLine, and then I'm gonna print it out. Now let's see how that works. I'm gonna run it. So now we have the prompt. Please enter another short sentence. And here it is. You see it took in the whole sentence. My name is Max. Instead of taking in word by word, it's reading in the whole sentence, and it stores that into this variable user sentence. One other thing you can do here is you can read in integers. To read in integers, this is what we have to do. So here's my prompt. I ask the user to enter 2 integers, and I'm reading in the first one. I store it in the variable I. The second integer is stored in variable j, and then I'm just gonna print out I times j, and then I'm doing the math here. I multiplied by j. Let's see how that works. Please enter 2 integers. I'm going to enter 10 space 15. And as you can see, I is 10, j is 15. I times j is 150. Just to make it clearer, I can do it this way. I'm going to print out the value of I and j separately so we can see the value in each variable. Run it. 2 integers, 10 space 15, enter. As you can see, I is reading in I here, and I is equal to 10. It's reading in j here. J is 15. I times j is 150, and that's where we get the 150 from, this I multiplied by j here. Alright everyone, so that's how you read in a word or the whole sentence, or you're reading in integers. That was a quick review, and if you like the full version of this lesson, you can visit our website here and look up lesson number 4. Thank you everyone. I'll see you next time.